Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply wave simulation right inside Blender. So to do that, all you need to do is to hold down Shift A to add your mesh, add your plane mesh, then you scale. To scale, all you need to do is to select this and then press X and then you move your mouse. All right. So the next is to add another plane, add another add another mesh, which is UV sphere. Then you do the same, you Shift A and then mesh, then UV sphere, then you squeeze it, or rather you scale it a bit more smaller and then you take it up. All right. So the next is to add subdivision on these two mesh. So we'll start with this sphere. We switch on edit mode by pressing tab and then you right click and then you click on subdivide. Then you switch back to object mode and then you shades mode. Then you do the same for this. But for this, we are going to change this to 50 because we want it to be as smooth as possible. All right. So we have 50 and we apply shades mode on this and we apply shades mode on this. All right. So we start with the plane for the physics. So to do the stimulation, all we need to do is to go right on physics right here where we have physics, and then you go to dynamic paint. Now we leave it the way it is here, canvas, and then add your canvas. Then you scroll down and you change this to waves. All right. Then you're back here, you do the same for this. You select this. All right. Then you go to physics and then you have dynamic paint, but this time around you are switching to brush. All right. You add brush and that is it. So the next is to press your space bar. All right. And then you select this and you press G and then Z and move it down. All right. When you do that, you notice that we are having ripples. We are having a lot of ripples on the plane. All right. So that is how to achieve this right inside Blender. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye for now.